What is going on YouTube? Hater back making another brand new Crypto TV episode. In today's video, we are going to be looking at XRP, Ethereum, Bitcoin, as well as the S&P 500. To start off today's episode, Happy New Year to everybody. Happy and healthy New Year. It is day 2 of a 365-day journey that we're about to, ascend on. So some crazy stuff is happening, and we're already starting off the year actually really well. Today is the first market open day of the new year, and I think we're going to be off doing some pretty incredible stuff. So stay tuned for this roller coaster of a year here. And I think now that we've seen and endured the drop to the downside on the roller coaster, and as we know, what goes down must go up, we're going to be in tune for some pretty nice things over the next couple of months into 2025, which is a crazy year too. Specifically, what we need to be looking at, and starting off this year very strong, you can see a very solid breakout upside of Bitcoin right here, breaking through major resistance of 44,070 all the way up, going all the way to $46,000, which is also pretty nuts here. So is it time to buy in? Is it time to sell out? So on and so forth. What exactly should we expect? I'll be going over all of this in a minute with you guys. But besides Bitcoin, we're also looking at Ethereum, which is retesting price ceiling. And then we have XRP, which hasn't broken out just yet, but very soon we should be seeing a nice break to the upside in the very near future on XRP's bull flag, 5th bull flag formation, which I'm very excited to see happen as well. Also, moving forward, the S&P 500. Today's going to be the first day we're going to be opening up, so I'm very excited to see where the results will be from that. But with that being said, definitely make sure to smash the like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and let's jump into today's episode. So guys, starting off today's video, we just did a Crypto TV gift card, Amazon gift card giveaway. The winner was drawn in yesterday's episode. So, I haven't actually given it out yet. So, if you have entered the giveaway, make sure to check yesterday's episode to see the winner. I think it's Dave Schneider or something like that. I sent you an email, or you can send me an email, so on and so forth here. But with that being said, diving into today's episode, yesterday we made a video basically talking about look what's coming here. You can see I already made a video literally yesterday saying XRP Ripple holders, this year will be insane. Get in now. This was yesterday in the bull flag, and look how we broke out. Literally, the video we made yesterday showed you a beautiful ascending triangle. Sorry, not a bull flag. Yesterday's video right here, we drew the ascending triangle, and today we broke out of that ascending triangle, which is pretty exciting if you ask me. So we have a lot of things to go over, a lot of things to talk about as well. Specifically, you can see the volume injection that's coming to this market here. The global crypto market cap is up 5.5% at $1.75 trillion. You can see literally over yesterday into today, every crypto is pretty much starting to see a pretty solid swing and reverse back to the upside here. Bitcoin up almost 7% for the week. Ethereum up 6.6%. BNB 6% here. A lot of these other cryptocurrencies are also sliding higher too. Polygon, Toncoin, Internet Computer, Bitcoin Cash. I mean, there's so many good things here. Filecoin is up. Never heard of that. But a lot of these cryptos are starting to swing to the upside, which is very exciting if you ask me. However, if you're patient, and hopefully you guys are, specifically for XRP, you will be rewarded greatly if you wait for the bull flag to break out. For those that don't know, we've been tracking the 5th bull flag on XRP, specifically this crypto breakout here, that we've been patiently waiting for consistently here. And for those that don't know what a bull flag pattern is, a bullish continuation pattern that occurs in a strong uptrend. Keyword is strong. Bull flag pattern that look like a downwards channel that is sandwiched by 2 parallel supports and resistance lines against the foregoing trend. As you can see, it is one of the easiest patterns to identify and is highly effective in a bull market. You just need to look for a bullish vertical rally or a trend, which is a pull or a flag, then to identify the consolidation, yada, yada, yada. As you guys can see here, flag pull up, consolidation down, breakout. And as you guys can see here, same thing is over here. Flag pull up, the flag itself, and then breakout to the upside. And as you guys can see here, clear as day, XRP is experiencing this. It's actually experiencing its 5th bull flag that we've been tracking for who knows how long, literally since the start of this year. We've been tracking, or since the start of last year, 2023. You can see here we've had 5 or 4 specifically that have taken place consistently over the year, where we had this clear flag pull up, flag itself, breakout, flag pull up, flag itself, breakout, flag pull up, flag itself, breakout, flag pull up, flag itself, breakout. So we can see the consistent patterns that is happening over XRP. History likes to repeat itself. Here we go. Flag pull up, flag itself, consolidation, breakout. And that's what we're looking for right now. I don't know if this has an Elliott impulse wave within it here, but we've been tracking that too, looking for the 5th retest here, which could be right here. It's very possible we could be looking for a 5th retest, and then we could potentially head up higher, if not already head up higher. You can see a clearly drawn out parallel running resistances. Even though we're kind of caving in a bit, it still is very much so bullish here, where we are creating higher lows and lower highs. And you can see every time we head up, it's lower than the previous high. And every time we head down, it's also lower than the previous high. So we're in this kind of spiraling downward stance here, which at some point is going to come into contact with a lot of supports. We have a price floor. We have an uptrend. We have another price floor here. There is support. So there's tons of resistances that are climbing to retest each other. And once those collide, we're going to have to make a decision. As you guys can see with this downtrend right here, we need to break through it. And that's pretty much the major buy-in opportunity for this year. The second we see that confirmation, which we're currently retesting today, it's been a long time. Last time we retested it was the 28th, and you can see it's now the 2nd, and we're retesting it again. As we start to consolidate into here, we're going to need to figure out whether we're going to break through it today, tomorrow, or in the next couple of days here. But the key here is to buy in once we get confirmation above major price ceiling. When this price ceiling in yellow is broken, and closed on the daily here, let's say price heads up, we close at like 64 cents here above resistance. That'll be that opportunity to buy in and long to the upside. But until that happens, we have to be sitting ducks. And why do we have to be patient? Because the size and the stature of this breakout is going to be absolutely nuts. 50% that size of that rally is here. You can see if we take this, we extend this onto the current breakout possibility here, the actual resistance or the size of the breakout could be over 40% gains very quickly on XRP, which is something to pay attention to. Now, obviously, we do all these trades on BitFi, the #1 cryptocurrency leveraging exchange that I like to use here on the channel. BitFi lets me buy long, sell short, leverage trade, create stop losses, take profits. Everything you could want on an exchange is offered on BitFi, including free cryptocurrency by literally signing up in the link in the description below, with the link in the description below, and then clicking right here. And you can see welcome rewards. You can earn up to $2,888 completely free by completing simple tasks. So make sure to check it out. Link down in the description below. But anyways, moving forward from that on BitFi, my favorite part about the exchange is the fact that they offer a demo account here, which gives you an opportunity to trade around risk-free with free crypto, monopoly money crypto, and test your skills. You could test my trades, your trades, every trade you'd want is offered here. Get familiar with the platform, longing, shorting, creating stop losses, and take profits. Then when you're ready, you can even trade around with XRP. When you're ready, you can then switch over to the live trading account right here, which is freaking awesome if you ask me. Now, beyond the bull flag, the massive one that we've been tracking on XRP, and I don't want to hear it from you guys, because a lot of you guys are like, we're waiting patiently, but nothing's happening. Hello, you have to be more patient. You have to wait for this. We're conservative trades. If you want to swing trade every single day, you can do that too. But otherwise, you need to wait for this to be broken, and then we'll be rewarded greatly with leverage to the upside here. But beyond that, we also need to look at Ethereum, which could be breaking out earlier. You can see Ethereum right here is retesting resistance. If it breaks through this resistance here, that's an opportunity to buy in and scale to the upside, because we haven't been above that since literally May of 2022. It's been many months of slowly but surely trending higher, and this is the resistance that we've been retesting here. So if we manage to break through this resistance, which we're retesting as I speak, and we close above this, that'll be a huge opportunity to buy in and long to the upside. Same thing goes with Bitcoin here. This is another opportunity to buy in and long to the upside. We expected this breach. We expected this break. You can honestly get in now if you really wanted to. But anyways, within this here, we could have saw more consolidation, but a break above this was definitely due to happen and due to a rise. You can see we're going to slowly head up higher, spiral higher. And you can see here, we've just been on a massive breakout ever since retesting the moving average closer to about, $26,000. So once we get above this, we expect to see even more higher movements up to 50 and then over to $100,000 by the end of the halving. Or maybe I'd say 5 to 6 months after the halving, we should be retesting all-time highs back at 66. But we are very close, guys. We are very close to all-time highs yet again. We've now recovered 177% since the bottom here. So I don't know what more you guys need to pay attention to. But anyways, we've been doing incredibly well. And then lastly, I guess looking at the S&P 500, we need to consolidate a bit more, but I also vastly expect to see some very bullish movement and sentiment in the next coming months within the year of 2024 here. Very much so, breaking even higher through the price ceiling. When the time comes, it will. But so far, it's just this that we need to pay attention to. And there's probably going to be some consolidation because we're nearing overbought on the daily and the weekly, which kind of means consolidation for sure. But with that being said, definitely make sure to smash the like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and I will see you in tomorrow's video. Peace.